Hello everyone and welcome back to Aviation A to Z. Today we will see the requirement posted by the Fortune 500 company, a global manufacturer of not only aircraft parts and components but various other sectors, Honeywell. They are looking for various positions, but today we will discuss only important positions relevant to our viewers. So watch this video till end to know about such international level jobs and how to apply for them. So let us get started. But before we know about vacancies, we must be aware about the organization, and here's its Honeywell. So let's see some insight about this wonderful organization. Honeywell International Incorporation is an American publicly traded multinational conglomerate, headquartered in Charlotte, North Carolina. It primarily operates in four areas of business: aerospace and aviation, building technologies, performance materials and technologies (PMT), and safety and productivity solution (SPS). It was founded in 1905 by Mark C. Honeywell, and it's been 115 years and still it's standing firm and strong in innovation. They have more than 113,000 employees as of 2019 data. It ranked 92nd in 2019 in Fortune 500 companies of the world. Honeywell since 2002 has acquired more than 60 companies under its roof and has created global opportunity for various sectors. Honeywell Aerospace sector, founded in 1936, has produced various aircraft engines, avionics systems, satellites, spacecrafts and black boxes, etc. And it generates annual revenue of more than $10 billion. The Honeywell is currently looking for various professionals people to make the future brighter. So let's see in detail about it. Also, if you know any interesting facts and information about Honeywell and its product, feel free to mention it in comment section. They want maintenance technicians for its UK division. Let us see the job overview. A message from Honeywell Incorporation. When you join Honeywell, you become a member of our global team of thinkers, innovators, dreamers and doers who make the things that make the future. That means changing the way we fly, fueling jets in an eco-friendly way, keeping buildings smart and safe, and even making it possible to breathe on Mars. Working at Honeywell isn't just about developing cool things. That's why all our employees enjoy access to dynamic career opportunities across different fields and industries. Now, why they want you? Honeywell Newhouse site are looking for a day shift maintenance technician with a proven experience in maintaining and inspecting of equipment. The successful candidate will be expected to ensure the engineering department delivers the maintenance agreement with the production department within the PPE business. Good communication skills and proactive, logical problem-solving approach to task is essential. This position will be based in Motherwell, Newhouse for 12 months on contract basis. Now the work requirements. You must carry out maintenance work assigned for each process using the procedures and/or work instructions determined for the intervention. Adhere to the maintenance plan and ensure feedback of interventions follows the standard in place. Also, you are responsible for adhering to the required quality of products and knowing the quality criteria. Ability to diagnose equipment performance issues and remedy accordingly. Support root cause analysis and problem-solving activities. Part of the team tasked with ensuring the performance and capability of the equipment within the PPE mass production area. Also, you must perform other tasks according with company needs and links with the job. Now let us see the qualification requirements. You must have HNC or HND or internship in mechanical or electrical. Experience in a maintenance background in completing work orders. Mechanical and electrical maintenance experience gained in manufacturing environment is very essential. Also, previous experience of maintenance, routine inspection and production equipment breakdown assistance. Previous experience of working within high volume manufacturing environment. Now let us see the benefits of working at Honeywell. They are an equal opportunity employer and value diversity at their company. They do not discriminate based on race, religion, color, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, age, marital status, and etc. They will ensure that individuals with disabilities are provided reasonable accommodation to participate in job application or interview process. So that's really a great thing about this organization. So what are you waiting for? If you are eligible, then apply now. And if you know someone who better suits it, then share this video with them. Also, to apply, please visit a2zblog.in and click on Honeywell Maintenance Technician article and click on Apply Now for Maintenance Technician job. Website link is provided in description of this video. Alright, Honeywell Automation India Limited (HAIL) is also looking for mechanical engineer for its Hadapsar, Pune facility. To know more about it, visit our website and click on Honeywell Mechanical Engineering article. But in short, here are summary of requirement. Job description. Category is engineering. Location is 56 and 57 Hadapsar Industrial Estate, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Basic qualification is bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or mechanical engineering technology. Experience requirement is 2 to 4 years of mechanical engineering experience. So apply now and don't miss this golden opportunity. Also, if you are not eligible, then also don't worry, because we will keep you posted about such job vacancies and also fresher jobs. Only you need to do is to subscribe and daily visit our channel and website to stay updated. Finally, thanks for watching, and if you are still watching, then here is your bonus. The Honeywell Incorporation has around 4,205 job openings for various divisions, and to know about it, please visit honeywell.com and click on career section and find your relevant job, because working at international organization benefits a lot. That was all for today. All the very best, and hope you will get desired job and help our aviation and aerospace industry to reach new height of success. See you soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, keep preparing, stay safe.